Hi everybody, Greg Davis here in Savannah on a beautiful fall day. I want to give you a quick look at the Sea Ray 290 Sun Deck. Some great features, great seating in this room up front. You can see Sea Ray keeps the beam farther forward, gives you a lot more room in this area. Storage in the floor, storage under all the seats. There is a table that clicks in right here for entertaining. This one does have a windlass setup here. Very nice. The remote is right here. There is a freshwater shower here if you are in salt water to wrench your rope and chain before it comes into the locker. Plenty of room up here. Foldable armrest here. Speakers up front. There are drink holders down here, stainless steel with lights. This same in the front here. Walking back, you can see here that they have the air dam, which is nice on a fall day. You can put this up, you can close the windshield off, and you can keep a lot of the wind from coming in the boat. Makes it tolerable on a marginal day. And it folds out of the way nice and neat. Storage on this side here for your tables. Everything is right there, easy to get to. We'll take a look at the helm. This has got the Simrad setup, Fusion stereo, all your switches are here, trim tabs, Mercury binnacle with the active trim setup, and of course the joystick piloting for this boat makes docking, especially in our area, very easy. Fully adjustable helm seat. This one has a really nice spacious head on there with a sink, storage, does have a small hatch on the side for ventilation, lockable glove box here, a two-way seat here. You can face aft if you're towing somebody on a ski, or you can make a full bed here. This one also has a table mount for the rear, storage, easy access here for your batteries. Super simple to get to, your battery switch is in there. This one's got the Dometic 12-volt refrigerator, Kenyon grill, sink right here, which is a real nice feature. Storage for a small lunch cooler that would go under there, more storage in here. Of course, it has the tower with the integrated bimini with a tow point up top if you wanted to have somebody surf or wake. But it offers a great amount of shade for your cockpit. Let's take a look at the back. One nice feature they do is the boarding step. Makes it getting in and out of a higher dock easier. This one has the doggy door here. You can keep the grandkids and the dogs inside. Another freshwater shower for rinsing off when you get out of the water. Stereo control. This is a 12-volt outlet for, say, a inflation pump for a tube or anything like that. This one's rigged with the twin lounge seats. Very interesting setup. You've got a cooler in the middle here for drinks, storage, seating. This has got great seating. Lets you have easy access in and out of the water here with the swim deck. Boat great for entertaining, for multiple adventures on the water. Skiing, tubing, cruising, having dinner. If you'd like more information on this boat or any boat we have here in Savannah, feel free to give us a call, 912-897-9881. Thanks.